Okay, as you can see there that I have 30 wall on my bedroom. First, I thought to make a lot of sketches, then put them there to cover it up. But then I had the idea to paint on the wall directly. But unfortunately, I don't have any wall paint, so I use my acrylic colors. And yeah, I know, it didn't end up so well, forgive me please. And honestly, it was a little bit difficult, even if I thought it would be easy as I paint on the canvas. This is the first time I painted on the wall. Usually my nephews did it for me. And to be honest, I'd rather to make drawings on paper and tape them on the wall quietly for me than, paint directly to the wall. It took me 30 minutes to finish it. Started with making a square space with clear tape there. I forgot to record when I put them on the wall. And you can see there that I had to paint twice to get the wall painted. I know I should have used wall paint. So if you want to try what I did, don't use acrylics. Go buy some paint that can be used to paint the wall, and I bet you will get better result than me. Don't expect me to talk much in this video. I planned to make a silent video, but then I realized that I had to talk because some people don't really like read what I write on the description below. So better to have them listen what I say, right? And yes, forgive me that I forgot to record some part, or I record what I should have paused on the first place. When I have something to do, I always focus on it, so it's a little bit difficult to do two tasks at the same time. But I will do better on the next video. And yeah, you might realize that I have a weird accent here. So if you see my old videos, you might know that I'm Indonesian and I also speak Javanese. It's ethnic language, one of ethnic language that Indonesia has. There, I use toothbrush to make the white dots around the picture. It's quite easy for me, especially when you were drawing on the wall. And, well, another mistake. I forgot to record when I was making the land. Yeah. I hope you enjoy what I made in this video, and yes, I will do better next time. So if you like it, please press the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share maybe to your loved one or your friends who love paint or arts. So thanks again, and I'll see you on the next video.